Hello guys.
Kaya tutoy na. Ang Mark Green and ang Mark Green Gutierrez channel.
Ano? We're playing again Job Sahur. No, but we're playing shawarma. Okay, we play shawarma first. Go.
Okay, I'm back again. This is not the part 2 you guys been waiting for, but sorry. I'm working on it, okay? Bro, don't knock it over. Don't knock it over. Oh, you're gonna be mad when you see your father, man.
The father just milk.
Your father disappeared because he doesn't have milk. He went to go to grab the milk 2 years ago. It's not funny anymore, man. It's sad. What are you playing?
Done.
Okay. I got scared in this game before. Remember that one thing? I actually couldn't upload. That was so scary. His name is Kyle. Number 1. I have some presents. I got 1,000. Oh. Brother,
Sure.
I'm going to buy some classes, or is there even a class here? Endless mode. So I just got 4,000 bucks for nothing. What? What? Where am I? Oh my god. I just went in the Santa Claus and the sleigh, and this happened to me. I'm now getting jump scares. Oh my god. If there is a job application jump scaring me, I'm going to be so terrified. I'm going to be so terrified. I'm going to run, punch me in the face, go get some yogurt, come to FNAF and like the game, and then run away. That's my plan. Bro, where are you? Where are you? Oh, you just trained. By the way, where's the shop? Please tell me where is the shop. Where is the shop? Where? Where's the shop?
Hello, shop.
No shop? So I just got money for nothing.
No.
Where's the shop? I got 4,000 bucks, I think, or 400. I think. It's been 3 minutes and 27 seconds.
I was already 57 minutes.
Because you're first to record. I want to punch him with you. Oh my god, he looks terrifying.
Just go do it again. Run it back, boys.
Yeah, run it back. Round 2. I'm Mango the Furry. Oh my god, I can't open this. Let's just get this.
You know the rules.
What? Yeah. Where's the TV? I just got jump scared.
Get out of my face.
Okay, that's it. Tan,
Hey,
tan, 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 pearl, pearl, mom. I'm trolling for this video.
Ay, Makmak!
Don't worry, she's here. Start with rubbish. Start with lavish, boy.
Ako na Makmak ang bahala siya na eh.
Lavish. Yeah, good boy.
Magkita ka na Makmak sa CCTV camera lang natin. Sana?
Okay.
Magkikita ka Makmak kung may sa likodan natin or sa unahan natin.
No, you're so wrong. You just need to...
Magkita ka sa CCTV camera.
Shut up. I see your dumb face. What happens if I turn off night vision? Oh. This is night vision.
Yeah.
It looks so blue, just like your refrigerator. I'm going to do something funny. That is actually funny.
Kitaan Makmak. Dapat Makmak.
I'm watching! I'm watching you,
You need-
dang idiot!
Magkita ka Makmak
I
sa
can't.
CCTV.
Look! Oh, look. Oh! I can't look! Oh!
Kita
I
mo-
can't turn! What's your brain?
Magkita ka lang sa daw.
I am watching.
Get out!
Look it out.
No.
You have no face. It's your stupid face.
Makmak! Kung saan na magluto niyan?
What? Kyle is so dumb. Did you give it to her? Did you give it to her?
Of course.
Oh, okay. If I see a skinwalker, I'm next to the button and
You need to close it.
Close it.
For now, you need
Oh, I thought she was a skinwalker.
me to.
Just like you. Who can't even see? You can't even be third person in this. If you close it, I'm going to kill you. I'm watching the film.
Go back. Magkanto ko sa likodan. Go back. You need to go.
Watching. Yep, I know what you're doing. Wait, did you come on camp too?
No.
No? Okay. Nothing.
This is what this is much
What
more
is that?
better. Close.
Because what is that? What is that?
That's a double ganger.
They're twins!
No.
Oh, you're right.
Hindi
No!
Kuha ko lang in the kwarta.
Bro, you're going to die. You're going to die.
No? Kita daw mo kung ano pa sa luwas.
He never left.
Ada na, ada sa luwas pala.
No. Never. If you see something,
Wala man de.
Yeah, they're gone now. They're gone. How about their next nap and half?
Hey, I need some chair
Not half.
to grab my chair. Through the can.
Show the can. Grilled.
Ikaw na sana. Ako dyan mo.
Where's the sauce?
Ay,
Where's the sauce?
boy, this is the sauce, the white thing.
Hey, yo.
Eh,
Oh, there's the cheese.
salad.
What is lavish?
Red meat put in the lavish. Unroll shawarma. Now it's my turn. Give it to customer.
I got it.
Start with the lavish. Kuha na lavish.
What?
Yapon, kutong-kutong yan na
This
babae.
album is a big back. This big old woman is the big back, man.
She's the world's biggest box.
Just like you. Oh, what was that? What was that? I just...
Ako na bahala. Dudu, mauna na ako.
Admit.
We didn't need any lights, okay?
This is Sarama.
Shawarma.
Yeah, enjoyed that double big back woman.
Actually, we need lights. Oh no.
What? Oh no. We're about to leave.
No.
No.
Don't not care, you Santa freak.
Oh my god.
Do not care if we are in the nothing. This good. Just drunk. Big one. We're on Friday.
We are on Friday. I'm going to hang out with this guy.
That's okay. Do not pay me any money.
I am uncomfortable with this guy.
Don't
My
pay
friend's
me
name
and
is Kelsey Gutierrez. That is his name. Because he exposed my name in the last video that I couldn't post. So I'm mad. I don't know what is TH. It doesn't say what is TH. What's that?
Missy Amoli Mini.
Oh, I see him. He's on top.
Yup. Don't look at up. Don't look up. Don't look up.
Why?
Naku.
I jump scare ka? Come on. I am not looking at that freak. He's going to tickle my toes after.
I hate when he take on my toes.
He's gonna tickle his tomatoes.
I'm at tomatoes. Ikaw na lang mga...
Head
Makmak,
looks like
ikaw
a
na...
marshmallow.
Makmak, ikaw na lang. Bahala ako makita.
Where's Filipino? His address is 41655 and 51. That is his phone number is 516648. Dang, you're a big back. I'm just calling people big bucks because they are. Just kidding.
This is the biggest box in the world.
I didn't see the anomaly crawling around. Okay, what is that? He looks like you. That's stupid.
Watch it. Ikaw baka magluto.
Your voice
Is a kid.
is a kid.
Where is Riyadh?
Oh my god, can you get out of the way? This, put it here, take that, here, put that, put it here, done. You stole me kill!
Hey!
That's what we get, bro.
Boy, that's an anomaly.
Where?
That's an anomaly.
Oh,
Tama ka, may alamin niya dito sa likodan. So,
where's it?
ay, ito na lalaki. Kita mo sa likodan niya. Oh, good. Okay, sauce. Ran out of sauce again.
So this is for now. Okay, this is
No.
going to take 20 minutes. So bye guys.
Still recording.
Bro, they're going to get mahali gad sinta. Mahali. Kasi gumawa na. He has no head. He has no head.
Huh?
He has no head. I'm watching him. He has no head.
Bye, guys.
So
17 minutes? That's okay.
what?